In today's video, I'll be talking about the 4K USB 3.0 HDTV video capture. I did a review on this before, however, I do want to share some stuff with you. One of the problems I was having with this thing was with this USB to USB 3.0 cable. The problem that I was having was that it didn't really provide a good connection. So what happened was this thing would just I would keep hearing sounds that the USB was disconnected, connected, disconnected, connected, disconnected, connected. So that was one of the problems I was having with it. I first thought it was this thing that was causing it, but it really wasn't. It was just this cable that was causing it. So what I did was, when I ordered another one of these for another one of my computers, I ordered an extra cable. I think the quality of this cable is a lot better than this one. So ever since I connected that to my other HDTV video capture, I was having a lot better results. I didn't have that disconnecting USB sound. It just, now it doesn't make any sound at all. And I'll show you right now. The other one is connected to my computer. As you can see, it's right here. And it's connected to the new cable that I put in. And let me take the sound out. So right now the sound's on this computer, and right now this thing is being used. And let me go to my YouTube channel. As you can see, the sound is working here, and you don't hear that sound from the USB disconnecting sound for my computer like I was having before. So what I did was I connected it to a different USB port, and I wasn't having that problem, but I was having another problem, like intermittently the HDMI signal would go out. When I have this video here, the sound would, the video would go out, it would just black out, and it would go back, come back, and then black out again, like intermittently. It's like I really couldn't predict when it would happen, but it happened. But now I don't have that problem anymore. It's not making the sounds, everything's perfect. So the problem was just with the USB cable, not with the device. Device is fine, no problems. That's what I wanted to share with you today. Thanks for watching.